Drop that shoulder down. So yeah, put that there. Drop that. That's it. Drop the shoulder. That's it. Your neck's in a good shape anyway. Come around, right? There we go. Yeah, if you pause up here. Damon, let's